actually I want the rest of the kids, it's not only for Tanmay, I want the rest of the kids to know what is good and what is not, so that, they'll be taking part in a lot of such competitions, and they will also improve. So for Tanmay, like I was saying, her voice quality is very soothing, and that is why it suited the kind of declamation she took up. And the explanation, the way she was doing it, the way she used her hands, her face, her expressions, it was really, really good. And a couple of, just get your pronunciations a bit better. A couple of words you were not pronouncing very well, but otherwise, by and large, it was a very good performance. And a very good introduction to the declamation. It's very important to have a good introduction also. When you're introducing the declamation subject, some anecdote or some quote about a particular person always makes it more interesting. Now, the third was Ronak Gandhi. Now, Ronak has been doing a lot of oratory pieces, and so I've heard him before. It was, Ronak, it was not one of your best performances today, but you have much more potential than this. You have taken up Vivekanand. Now, Vivekanand, one, was a very, very powerful speaker, and the subject, that you've taken up required much more energy, and he was powerful as well as very soothing. So that quality did not, show in your voice. That inspiring yet soothing quality should have shown more. Now, the fourth was Abdul Kalam, was done by Vineet. Again, Vineet has been a part of oratory competitions for a long time. So I have seen him. Again, it was not one of your best speeches, because Abdul Kalam, again, you were trying to mimic Abdul Kalam. In a declamation, you don't mimic the speaker. You don't have to become that part and play that part. You have to do the speech in the essence of that speaker. So that was, a bit jarring, because, you cannot get that accent. You're not playing that part. Now, again, the fifth one was Parita. Now, Parita, I want more expression in your voice whenever you do oratory. I've been telling you before also, in your face, voice should be more expressive. It's not about the words itself. It was, you opened with a very relevant quote, which was very nice. But the ending is very important in any oratory. You cannot finish the ending with thank you. It's very important to go as gracefully as you came. So that ending, it leads to a lot of cutting of marks. Then the sixth was Om. Om, you need to improve on your pronunciations. Your pronunciations were too, there were a lot of pronunciation mistakes. So practice your pronunciations. Otherwise, good speech. Again, you see, you have been a good orator right from the beginning. But as you grow now, you're facing more and more competition. Don't get disheartened, all of you. Some of you have done very well in your growing years. But now you are, facing more competition. Meet the challenge. Don't say, Abhi, we are not, coming in this thing and somebody else has taken over, so we will not do. If you don't do, you will not improve. So keep doing, keep taking the challenge and get your positions back. Now, 7. 7 was Radha. Radha, you have come a long way. Frankly, I have seen you and you have improved a lot, but you have a long way to go also. So, your expressions could be much better. You did the speech as a speech. The expressions were missing. So, your speech did not touch the heart, which it is supposed to. For that, you have to understand the speech, understand the speaker. Now, your appeals, your face expression, all that, your frustration should show, your appeals should show, all that should show in the quality of your voice. Okay? But you've come a long way, you've improved a lot, but you have a lot of time to go. Now, 8. 8 was Abhay Mutha. Abhay Mutha, there were some pronunciation errors. There was very good expression. You tried your expression very well. But again, your speech was not heartfelt. It did not, reach from you to me to my heart. That is a quality lag, but it was a very good effort. You chose a good speech. It was an inspiring speech, but it needed more expression and emotion basically. More than expression, it needed emotion, which was lacking. Now, when you say a new star rises, that rise should show in your voice. You know, you can't say a new star rises. A new star rises. So that should show. Then the next one was, after Abe was Kanak. Now Kanak. Kanak, again, you've been a very good speaker. So your introduction was very good with a quote. It had a very good conversational style. But again, there, you know, you give expressions. But you people, you give wrong expressions on the wrong sentences. Like when you said, I was offended. It was a wrong expression that you gave. When you see the recording of it, notice what expression you gave. Now, when this person asks you, you know, to participate in a pageant, and you say pageant, that disdain didn't show in you. I am an army officer and I take part in a pageant. So that disdain should have shown in your thing. Like your Miss USA, you know, you didn't think anything of it. That disdain did not show. The victory should show in 2016, which it did not show. That, you know, after so many failures, when you had the victory, it should have shown in your voice. I got my first USA, that passion and elocution was missing. The speech could have had a lot of, you know, highs and lows. Your topic was so great that you know, high and low, sudden high and sudden low should have been shown in your speech. Though your pronunciation was excellent, your fluency was excellent. Now number 8. 8 was, no, after this one was Tejaswini. Okay. Now Tejaswini, you have so much potential. I would like to see your recording, but what I'm going to say has nothing to do with your recording. What you lacked was body language and expression. You have, you know, God's gifted you with a very, very good voice quality. And you have that very endearing accent, which is, you know, very refreshing. So you have the, you know, the speaking part was good. But your body language, your expression, that was lacking. And when you say people are suffering, that exasperation in your tone should have been there. How dare you? That anger should have been there. And you need a lot of training in oratory. But I suggest that you get training in oratory. One day you will become a, you know, good orator. Then was Sara. Now Sara, everybody knows that Sara has been winning competitions. Sara is a good orator. But I have a few objections to Sara's speech. Now, Sara had very good drama. You know, Sara, you had very good drama in your voice. You always have that. Your expressions are excellent. But you know, you did not feel the speech because your expressions were meant for oratory. What I could feel was that you are concentrating on the oratory piece. And you're giving your expressions. You're giving a variety of expressions. But they were not pertinent to what you were saying. I don't know whether you understand at your age or not. You know, but like when you give this Trump, you know, when you're talking the first sentence about Trump, I don't remember what it was, but the disdain for Trump did not show in your voice. It showed much later. You know, because you have not felt the speech as Hillary Clinton. You were busy doing all the dramatics and all the nuances of the speech that you were doing. You're so busy in your head doing that it did not reach the heart. That was the only thing I have against your speech. Otherwise, you are, you know, you're naturally very good and you're very well trained. So that, you know, this thing. Now when you say this election, it was a wrong emotion that you were giving. The emotions on the words did not match the words. So when you see your recording, please see it in that light and then you will understand it better. So overall, it was a very good performance. All these things are only to make you better. Now what I suggest is when you do any oratory piece, you should video record it at least 4 to 5 times. Judge for yourself. You people all are very good judges. Whatever I have said, you will notice it also in your own speech. So when you record it and judge it for yourself, you will improve, you know, by and by. Secondly, a few, oratory pieces are poetry you recite. So I'm going to recite a poetry. Story you narrate. So I'm going to narrate a story. Deliver a speech. Now, a declamation is either presented And you can also use I'm going to declaim. Declaim is also the verb used for declamation. So I'm going to declaim or I'm going to present a declamation. Whereas choosing the subject is concerned, see your voice quality and choose always a speech with a lot of emotion and drama, because declamation is supposed to be judged on the emotional value of your speech. And be very careful about your face, your hands, all that is as important as your voice. Voice modulation, of course, you'll learn by and by. So I don't know, we are two judges, so I'm not saying anything about the results, but these are basic points that I wanted to tell you about how to improve your oratory.
But yes, you've given us a run for our money, so I think it was a little bit of a difficult competition to judge.
Yes.
Ranks, please do not get too bothered about ranks, because I think what ma'am has told you are, pointers which are very, very precious. Think about those and improve yourselves on that. Positions will be decided on, very, very minute differences. So just do not worry about your ranks or your positions at all. Just think of what you've done now and how you're going to improve on this, and then perform even better than this the next time. So all of you were excellent. I can see that you have really, really worked hard and practiced and, put in a lot of effort. So a big, big hand to all of you and your teachers as well.
I really regret that we didn't get an outside judge to see you, because I would have been very, very proud of you and proud to showcase you. So we are going to put it on Facebook also. And one thing I want to tell you, when you go on Facebook, please be more now social media aware. You people are going to live in a social media age. So when you go on Facebook, don't just like your own videos, appreciate and learn to comment. See, when I comment, I review your pieces. You like it, don't you? So you can go and comment on your younger peer group also. Class 2, 3, 4, when you hear their speeches, comment on them, review them, criticize them, so that they also learn from you. One thing I'm very proud that all icons become very good critics. When I go to the senior classes, they can tell me exactly. I had one of the girls judging with me, one of the competitions. And you won't believe, but her marks and my marks were the same. So please do that when you become very social media aware and learn to appreciate whatever is put on social media, because that pertains to you. It's your school. I hope to see all of you in the conclave in the evening. I think you've been sent the links to see what webinars are, how people discuss. Now you've got all the time. It's not only this of course, since I'm speaking, I would like you to be there, but otherwise also attend all relevant webinars, seminars, workshops, wherever, because this is going to be your life. So participate in these activities, you'll learn a lot. Okay?
And one special word for Tisha. Tisha very well compared, and you actually took out little bits of everybody's piece and weaved it together, which was very commendable. So well done, Tisha.
Thank you, Deepika. I missed it out. Sorry, Tisha, I missed it out. But thank you, Deepika, for bringing this up. Yes, very well compared. Being a moderator or a compare is not an easy job at all. So, very well done.
Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your guidance.
Thank you.
Thank you.